Hi, welcome to Custom Thread Art Quick Craft Projects. Today we're going to do a Valentine's charm gift. You're going to take your Scrabble tiles and place them face down on a piece of Scotch tape that is laying sticky side up. This is just to keep them in place when we put our UV resin on top of them later. We want the blank side. We want to use the blank side of this one, so we're going to face it up. Make sure that your tiles are facing the right direction so that your word reads right, however you want it to go, crossways or lengthwise. Then we're going to take a little bit of hot glue and hot glue a ribbon across the back to use as a point to hang it from. So hold it down to let that glue set for a second, and then we're going to flatten out those glue blobs with a silicone paddle. Take our UV resin and get how much we think we'll need for one layer. I think it ended up being about 5 milliliters. And then we're going to add a little bit of glitter to that. We have Flamingo Flare. It's one of our custom mixes. It's a really pretty pink with an iridescent shimmer to it. Mix that up, and then we're going to place it on the back of the tiles on top of the ribbon. Just going to smooth that out over the top and go in and clean up anything we had come over the side. And then we're just going to cure that over the back of those tiles. Then we're going to go in with a second layer and make sure that you can't see that ribbon through the glitter. You can always paint the back of these tiles or make it easier to cover them. Once it's cured, you can go in and do your second layer. Then you're going to take the tape off the front, trim down that one ribbon piece, and then tie your loop and a bow. Now we're going to take our decal for that blank that we had and place it. You can use a transfer and transfer this, but it was so small you don't really have to. And there you go, there's our charm. You can use this to hang from a car, a rearview mirror, keychain, or just as a decorative little piece. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you next time.